My name is Aishi and welcome to today's video. So today's video is again going to be another Pilgrim's video. So today I have their skin clarifying serum, their volcanic lava ash range face wash, and a Pilgrim's white lotus day cream SPF 50. So I am going to give my review about all of this. I am going to talk about the ingredients, are they suitable for all skin types or not, prices and everything. So if you are interested, then stay tuned till the end. So Pilgrim is an Indian brand which has formulated Korean beauty in it, and we all know that how Korean beauty is hyping all up, but this is our Indian brand, so I think that's a really good initiative. So all their products are sulfate free, paraben free, free of any chemicals, toxin, and they are tested on friends and family and not on animals. They are 100% vegan and FDA approved, which is Pilgrim's code. So I always say this before the beginning of any Pilgrim's video because that is going to be similar for all of their products, because that's their code, that is how they formulate all of their products. So I am not going to repeat it for each time. So just keep in mind that whenever you are using Pilgrim, everything that you are applying on your face is very natural and organic and cruelty free. So yeah, that is what I wanted to say, and now let's get into the video. So the first product which I'm going to talk about is this Pilgrim's niacinamide and alpha arbutin skin clarifying serum, because most of you guys really wanted a review on this. So recently I have made a video on most of Pilgrim's products where I talk about their different ranges and their products. So most of you guys wanted a review on this serum right here, so here I have it for you. So I have received this in a PR package, and this is how the packaging looks like. So it comes in a little cute blue packaging like this one, and then we have the serum right here. So this is how it looks. So it comes in a normal glass bottle, and then we have this top which is normal for all of these serums, and it's really small and it comes for a price of $6.50. So I think for a serum which really works well, it's a really affordable price. So coming to the ingredients, the highlight ingredients which it includes are niacinamide, which helps in creating a blemish-free skin and removing all the dark spots and acne scars from your skin. Next we have alpha arbutin, which helps in boosting collagen. It also helps in preventing aging. Finally we have camellia, which helps in preventing future breakouts. So all of these ingredients are really nice. It also consists of other ingredients like purified water, turmeric root extract, sodium hydroxide, etc. And as I already mentioned, they are sulfate paraben free, free of any harmful chemicals. So everything which you'll be applying on your skin is totally natural and healthy. And it's been a week, and I must say that I really love this serum. So this serum is really lightweight on the skin and it does not feel super sticky. So before this I was using the serum from M Caffeine, and if you guys want a review on that, then you guys can leave a comment down below and I will definitely make one. But unlike that, it's not very sticky. As I said, it's very lightweight. It does not leave any kind of casting on the face, and the best thing is that it gives an instant glow. Also, it is suitable for all skin types, and it's a unisex product, meaning both men and female can use this, which I think is really nice. So here it's written it's suitable for all skin types, and I am an oily, acne prone skin type of person, and I must say that it really did suit my skin. I did not experience any kind of breakouts, blemishes or any rashes. So I use it once in a day in my day skincare routine, and I am really liking the effects it's showing. I really like it. It does not feel heavyweight at all. So now I really like its application, and if it gets over, I am going to get another bottle. So now let's move on to the next product, which is Pilgrim's White Lotus Day Cream SPF 50. So it comes in a packaging like this. Again, that same blue color packaging in this little square box. So this is how the White Lotus Day Cream SPF 50 packaging looks like. It comes in this little circular bottle, and it has this black lid on the top. All the ingredients and everything else is mentioned right here. Along with this, it also comes with this little wooden spatula inside the box, which I think is really nice for application, and it's wooden, which is really eco-friendly and sustainable. So I think that's a really nice step. So coming to this, it comes for a price of $500, and again the main highlights in 3 ingredients are white lotus, camellia and yugdugu. Again, very healthy ingredients for your skin, and along with that it also has some other ingredients which are mentioned on the box, that is the carton box right here, and also on top of this product. So let me open it and show you guys how it looks. So first, when you open this lid, you will get another covering like this, and finally when you pick it up, this is how the product looks like. So the consistency looks quite thick, but when you apply it on your skin, it does not feel very thick at all. So when you are going to first apply it on your skin, it might feel like it have a little bit of white casting for a few seconds only, but if you mix it really well, then it's quickly going to get absorbed in your skin. And again, this product also does not feel really heavy on your skin. It's super non-sticky. I use it in my day skincare routine again, because even though I'm not going out, I recently came to know that SPF should still be used even if you are staying in your home. So I love this product, so I use it. Into this, it really helps in tightening your skin, it helps in protecting your skin as it consists of SPF 50, and it also helps in instantly brightening up your skin. So I use it normally applying it on my face and neck, and then gently rubbing it, and then I leave it on my face until I go for my bath. This is also suitable for all skin types and is a unisex product, meaning both men and women can use it, which I think is really great. And as I said, I did not experience any kind of rashes or blemishes with these products. So if you are looking for a good SPF cream, then you should definitely check this one out. So as we are all staying at home, I think it's perfect for a stay at home kind of situation, because it does not feel heavy on your skin. It does not feel like you are putting anything on your skin. It's really essential for, you know, that self-love, self-care kind of routine. So I would highly recommend you guys to check this one out. You guys, for an example, so when you rub it, it's going to have this white cast like this. That is because I have taken too much of quantity for my hand, but if you rub it really nicely, it absorbs in your skin really fast. And there you can see it, it feels very soft, very nourishing, and does not feel heavy. And it does not look like I have applied anything, which I think is really great. Finally, the last product which I have is their Volcanic Lava Ash Face Wash with Yugdugu and White Lotus. I have made an entire video on this range, that is Volcanic Lava Ash Face Scrub, Face Mask and Face Wash. So you guys can definitely check that one out. So I am not going to repeat anything I said in that video. So the link to that video will be down below in the description box, and link to all of my review on all of my Pilgrim products will also be down there. So you guys can definitely check that out. All I would like to say is that again, it is suitable for all skin types, and I really like this face wash. So I have used their red wine face wash and it did not suit my skin, so I was really skeptical. But when I used this one, I really felt in love with, because I felt a spa kind of feeling. But I use this face wash only when I'm using their face scrub and face mask, which is of the similar range. So totally, I think it's like a spa-like feeling which I get when I use this face wash in combined with all of that product. So you guys should definitely check that video out if you are interested in Pilgrim's Volcanic Lava Ash range. So guys, that's all for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, then do not forget to leave your final reviews on any of the product down below. Also, if you want to see a review on any other product, M-Caffeine's serum, then do let me know in the comment section down below and I will definitely make it. Meanwhile, you guys can follow me on my Instagram. I'm highly active over there and I post there more obviously than my YouTube. So you guys can follow me there. You don't have to, but you can, and I would really appreciate it.